run mighty through the canyonous canyons as the moss clings green to the trunk of a tree. The insects crawl quickly as the birds soar freely, as the fishies swim upstream to care for their young. Care for the young. The rivers run mighty through the canyonous canyons as I hike with my backpack up the mossy green trail. The froggy says, "Ribbit," I reply, "How you do, sir?" As the wildebeest scamper to check out the scene. Nature is awesome. Nature is free. Nature is awesome. And nature is me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Through the meadows, I skip through the creek beds, I frolic with the rabbits, I wrestle the deer. I roll down the hillsides, I swing from the tree vines, I swim with the beavers and help them build dams. Damn, nature is awesome. Nature is free. Nature is awesome. Nature is me.